Hello everyone, and welcome back to Herbal Health and Vitality. We're thrilled to have you join us once again on this exciting journey into the world of natural health and wellness. I'm your host, Sally, and I'm so excited to delve into the fascinating world of natural remedies with you all again. Each episode, we uncover the secrets of nature's most powerful ingredients and how they can enhance our well-being. Today, we're embarking on a journey to explore a powerful plant alkaloid with a rich history and a wide array of health benefits. Berberine. This compound has been revered for its medicinal properties for centuries. Berberine has been used for centuries in traditional medicine systems around the world. From ancient Chinese medicine to Ayurvedic practices in India, this compound has stood the test of time. It's derived from various plants, including golden seal, barberry, and tree turmeric. These plants have been cherished not only for their beauty, but also for their potent health benefits. With its vibrant yellow hue, berberine is hard to miss. This striking color is a hallmark of its purity and potency, but don't let its simple appearance fool you. Beneath that bright exterior lies a complex compound with a multitude of health benefits. This remarkable compound has been studied extensively for its potential to support various aspects of health, from blood sugar regulation to heart health and beyond. Researchers are continually discovering new ways berberine can benefit our bodies. We'll explore these benefits in detail throughout this video. From its role in managing diabetes to its potential in combating inflammation, berberine is truly a versatile supplement. So grab a cup of herbal tea, get comfortable, and let's uncover the wonders of berberine together. Whether you're a longtime herbal enthusiast or new to natural remedies, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive in and discover how berberine can enhance your health and vitality. Berberine boasts a rich history that stretches back thousands of years. Imagine ancient civilizations relying on the healing power of plants. That's where our story begins. Evidence suggests that berberine has been utilized in traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurvedic medicine for at least 3,000 years. Can you believe it? 3,000 years! Ancient healers recognized berberine's potent properties. They used it to address a wide range of ailments, from digestive issues to skin infections. It's incredible how knowledge of these natural remedies was passed down through generations. Beyond its medicinal applications, berberine holds cultural and religious significance in various parts of the world. In traditional Chinese medicine, for example, berberine-containing plants like golden seal are believed to possess energetic properties that can help balance the body's vital energy, or qi. In some cultures, berberine-rich plants are used in spiritual ceremonies and rituals. They represent purity, protection, and healing. The vibrant yellow color of berberine is often associated with the sun, symbolizing vitality and enlightenment. Now let's delve into the heart of why berberine is gaining popularity today: its remarkable health benefits. This natural compound, derived from various plants, has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. But what makes it so special in today's world? Remember, I'm not a doctor, but I'm excited to share what I've learned about this incredible compound. Berberine has caught the attention of many health enthusiasts and researchers alike. Its potential benefits are vast and varied, making it a topic of great interest. Modern science has begun to validate what traditional healers have known for centuries. Ancient medical texts often mention berberine as a remedy for various ailments. Today, with advanced research techniques, we can understand how it works on a molecular level. Studies suggest that berberine may support various aspects of health, including blood sugar control, heart health, weight management, and immune function. That's a long list. For instance, it has been shown to help regulate glucose and lipid metabolism, which is crucial for managing diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. It's truly remarkable how a single compound can have such diverse potential benefits. People who incorporate berberine into their routines often report feeling more energetic and balanced. This could be due to its ability to improve metabolic functions and reduce inflammation. Researchers believe that berberine's multifaceted effects stem from its ability to interact with various molecular pathways within the body. It influences enzymes, hormones, and even the gut microbiome, creating a holistic impact on health. Remember, it's always essential to consult your healthcare provider before incorporating berberine into your health regimen. While it has many potential benefits, it's important to ensure it won't interfere with any existing treatments or conditions, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Your doctor can provide personalized advice based on your unique health profile, ensuring that you can safely enjoy the potential benefits of Berberine. Finding your Berberine. Where to buy? You might be wondering, where can I find this wonder compound? Well, you're in luck. Berberine is widely available in various forms, making it easy to incorporate into your routine. You can find Berberine supplements online and at most health food stores. It typically comes in capsule, tablet, or powder form. When choosing a Berberine supplement, it's crucial to select a reputable brand that uses high-quality ingredients. Read reviews, compare prices, and don't hesitate to ask questions. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your health. Incorporating Berberine consumption methods. So you've got your Berberine supplement. Now, how do you take it? Well, that depends on the form you choose and your personal preferences. Capsules and tablets are the most convenient options, allowing for easy swallowing and precise dosage. If you prefer a more customizable approach, powder forms can be mixed into smoothies, yogurt, or water. It's essential to follow the dosage recommendations provided on the product label or as advised by your healthcare provider. Start with a lower dose to assess your tolerance and gradually increase it as needed. A word of caution: safety and consultation. While Berberine offers a plethora of potential benefits, it's crucial to approach its use with caution. This natural compound, found in several plants, has been studied for its potential to support metabolic health, aid in weight management, and even improve cardiovascular function. However, like any supplement, it is not without its risks. As with any supplement, there is a possibility of side effects, although they are generally mild and temporary. These side effects can vary from person to person, depending on individual health conditions and how their body reacts to the supplement. Some people may experience digestive discomfort, such as gas, bloating, or a feeling of fullness. These symptoms are usually temporary and may subside as your body gets used to the supplement. In some cases, individuals might experience diarrhea, especially when starting with a higher dose. This can be particularly uncomfortable and inconvenient, so it's important to monitor your body's response. It's always best to start low and go slow, gradually increasing your intake as your body adjusts. This approach helps minimize the risk of adverse effects and allows you to find the optimal dose that works for you. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as medical advice. Always seek the guidance of a qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition or supplement regimen. It's paramount to consult your doctor before taking Berberine, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or planning to become pregnant. Your healthcare provider can help you weigh the potential benefits and risks. Additionally, if you have any underlying medical conditions, such as diabetes, hypertension, or liver issues, it's essential to discuss Berberine with your doctor. They can provide personalized advice based on your health history, or if you are currently taking medications, as Berberine can interact with certain drugs, potentially altering their effectiveness or causing unwanted side effects. Your pharmacist can also be a valuable resource in understanding these interactions. Until next time, stay healthy and informed. Well, that concludes our exploration of Berberine. I hope you found this journey informative and inspiring. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your health. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more natural health insights. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay healthy. Bye for now.